Hello, my name is Samuel and I'm a course creator. This is my seller dashboard. For those of you who are familiar with seller, and very quickly I want to show you something that might interest you. So if you are a stay-at-home mom, a serving corps member, or a student, or a low salary earner, please, I want you to pay attention to this because this will help you a long way. And the reason I'm showing you this is for you to know that it is possible to make money online when you think of it as a business. But let me refresh this page so that you know what I'm showing you here is real. Okay, this is not an MMM or I'm just showing you a screenshot. I'm showing you my live account. So let me quickly show you without wasting much of your time. I go to my menu and click on sales. Let me allow my sales to load. Alright. And I scroll up, you see I've made over 21,000 sales and 23 millions in naira, just in naira, and I have not yet calculated other currencies. In fact, I don't really know how to calculate it. And when I scroll up, you see the customer that bought this particular product with their details. Okay, this is the live account I'm showing you, and the reason I'm showing you this is for you to really know that it is possible to make money online when you think of it as a business. And here you can see what I'm using to generate massive traffic to my sales, right? And I get this particular income on a complete autopilot. I'm using this power of integration here. What I simply do is to download free hot products online, set it up on automation, and generate sales automatically without doing anything. Free product. I don't have to buy any product, and that is what I explain in this course, how you can start making money almost immediately. And when I go to my wallet and payout and click on wallet, let me allow my wallet to load. You can see this system have generated me over 270,000 naira in less than 1 week, and I withdraw nothing less than 500,000 every week with this particular system. You see, the reason I'm showing you all this live account is for you to know that if I can achieve this, you also can achieve it. But I'm not going to leave it alone for you. I'm going to help you to start generating. This is the particular reason I'm showing you, for you to know that I'm the real deal and I can help you start generating an income online. You see, this is something that I have done and it works for anybody, irrespective of who you are, where you are, either you are a serving corps member, a student, a stay-at-home mom, or a low salary earner. This will work for you, and I'm not going to leave you. I'm going to help you set up this system and start withdrawing this kind of money. You see, this money is available for me to withdraw right away. So, but let me show you how you'll be able to get access to this system and start using it immediately. Okay, let me open my Google Drive for you to see that what I'm telling you here is true. This is not. Can you see different product that I'm selling here? But when you get access to this system today, can you see a video course here? It's just simple nation. It's very simple but very effective that you can apply. And you know the best part of it is that I'm going to help you set up hot selling product on your seller store for you, so your own is not, you don't need to worry, you don't need to stress yourself. I'm going to do that for you. But when you get access to this system today, I'm going to personally, apart from the the other stuff that this video costs. When you get access to my WhatsApp mentorship, you are going to be getting my mentorship for free, and you are going to be getting, if you have any issue along the process, I'm going to be mentoring you until you start making money, generating massive sales. Either you have your own product, or you want to get the product that I will show you, or the product that I will install on your seller store for you. Okay, so if you get access to this, let me show you some of the results people were actually getting, so that you know that this system will work for you. I'm not just telling you something that I have not done. Let me show you something here again, and you will know that this system actually, can you see this person already made in 2 weeks? If no be God, who can you see that this is a testimony, a screenshot of a testimony I posted it on my sales page. Can you see people? Can you see some income I withdraw from this? Can you see people? Thank you, sir. I was able to make this in 2 days using the strategy on the at the same time, you get access to my Telegram mentorship group. Can you see people posting their testimony? This one say, okay, I'm on now to go buy house. Can you see? He say 50k yesterday, 15k today. Can you see people making some crazy money here? So this is something that it will work for anybody. So I'm showing you this because I want you to succeed, and I don't want to hold this system to myself, and I'm not actually selling it. I want to use it to help people, as many people that I can help, and for a very limited time I'm giving this system to a very few people. So if you are someone that is interested and you are actually care for yourself, I want you to get access to this system today, because the price will soon increase. So I'm showing you this because this is an opportunity you cannot afford to miss. So I'm going to drop a link anywhere around this video. Make sure you click on that link and register immediately, and I will see you, sir. Thank you, and God bless you.